G'day guys, just finished up guiding duties for the day, so clients have headed off after a good day out here on the lakes, and got an hour or so to fill in, so I thought I'd jump back in, chuck the GoPro on and see what we can find along the edges here. So I'll jump in and come along for the ride. Go. Oh, right on the edge of the weeds there. Oh, strong fish. Strong fish. Oh, we don't want him in there. They are a handful, these fish, big browns, early in the season around the weed beds. They really do test your knots out, so sometimes you just have to put the brakes on and hope for the best, but I think we managed to get him out of there now, so that's good. That's another one there, just in the space of a couple of casts here. Just been wandering along these weed edges here, and as usual, early in the season, plenty of hungry brown trout up here in the highlands, ready to ambush anything that comes past. So nice fish there. Taking the point fly, which is the chartreuse beaded straggle bugger. Got him there. There he is. Beautiful fish there, nicely coloured up. Straggle bugger there in the bottom jaw. Nice fish. Get him back in and keep working along. There we go. Oh. Right. Right on the weeds again. Such a reliable spot if you can find that weed, those nice clumps of weed, and land the flies just on the edge. It's just amazing how many times there's a big brown sitting in there waiting. You've probably noticed as I've sort of worked along, there's some areas where I haven't spent too much time. I've just sort of skipped through them pretty quickly, and that has been the areas where there hasn't been those sections of weed. And then when I get to a section where it is more of that sort of weed habitat, you can slow down and take your time through that, because that's really where those fish are going to be holding, looking out for these little wet flies that we're using. Oh, got in there. Flies coming out, which is good. Another lovely fish, gee. Nice spots. The sun there. Beauty. Back away. Go back to harassing Galaxia probably. So back at the car now, all packed up. Time to go and sort out a heap of gear for the coming days guiding, but always good to sneak in a quick session there at the end of the day. So there's some fantastic fishing around the lakes at the moment. Early season's always good up here. Lake levels are nice and high, so that's helping. So yeah, it's a great time to be up here in the lakes. So if you want to jump on a day's guiding, still got a few days left in August and a few in September, so jump onto the website there and send us through a message, and we'll get out here and have some fun.